message ang ating magiging SK chairman.
Hello po, magandang gabi po. These are last week po for today po. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa mga kapatid ko dahil pinag sa kayo sa ang gusto lang po namin ay maging maayos, maging sa ang ating kita ang dokumento. Sana po makiusap po natin sa kita. Enjoy lang po natin kasi para sa mga.
Well said, SK din. Bago tayo mag-start, may konting masabihin si Sir Teddy about sa ating game for today.
Okay. Lalo. Laro tayo sa bola. Iwasan natin makasali. At iwasan natin. Okay. Pag nakita namin si Nadyo, hindi tama sa nila yung mga tapos depende sa SK kung ano magiging sa so nandito kayo kasi maglaro lang. Enjoy the game, hindi parang enjoy lang. Ang basketball ay dapat simpleng laro. Kahit pa sabihin physical yan, pero simpleng laro. Ang nagpapahirap na ngayon sa reality natin. Bakit? Kasi dinadaan natin sa inyo. Okay, kung dadaanin natin yan sa easy mind, sigurado, matatapos din yung laro, ayos, walang buto, marami kang papay. Kasi pagka ikaw ay halagan sa loob ng automatic na away. Gusto mong tumami lang ng laser, laban mo pala. Ang sarili mo. Okay, yung technicalities natin, yung pa rin, unsportsmanlike, free throw, ball possession, non-contact technical, depende sa ginawa, okay, one throw, and ball possession, depende rin, may ball possession pa rin tayo. Okay, yung tulad ng mga non-contact, continuous training, physical serving, tinakpan ko pa, clapping, yan ang physical serving, okay, provoking, pagka-rebound, sisigo na pagkakama natin. Huwag mo isiswing yan. Pag tumama yan, above the head, sigurado. Wala nang talo ang gano'n. Kaya out ka na. Kasi makakasunod. Hindi na bola yung pinaprotektahan mo, hindi na sarili mo. Tapos ka maagawan na bola, kaya kaya so,
Okay, so good luck both team. So may the best team win. So take care po tayo. Thank you SK. Good. Opening to.
Number 20. Number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 28.
Good.
Pass to number 13. Number 13. No good. White ball. Number 26, no good. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Fake. No good. Rebound by number 28. 26. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Lagitik na. Foul number 28. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 20, good for 2 points by number 26. Number 28, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, no good again. Number 26, Pass number 6, number 0. Pass number 6, good for 2. Number 2. Number 2, no good. White ball. Let me see. Number 0. Number 6. Number 0 again. Number 0, time of 3. No good. Number 21. Pass number 13, number 13. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 28. Number 2. Good for 2.
6-2. Lang pa rin ang pari ko.
Number 0. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Steal by number 28. Steal again, number 0. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0 rin. Pass to number 4. Save ball. Number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 28. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 21. Number 21, good for 2.
8-4.
Number 0.
8-4 ang score.
Number 0. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 0 again. Number 0. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 28. 28. Good for 2 by number 28. Number 26. Still by number 25. Number 13. Number 13. Good for 2 by number 13. 0. Number 6.
All 8.
Still by number 13. Number 28. Number 28.
All 8. Score.
Good for 3 by number 28.
11-8.
Number 24.
Share out sa'yo.
Number 24 again.
Share out.
24. No good. Rebound by number 26. Number 26. Good for 2 by number 26.
Marlon TV Vlog.
Ramlong Vlog TV.
Marlon Vlog TV.
Sa'yo, Aregwa.
Number 28. Number 2. Number 2. Good for 3 by number 2. Number 26. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 7. Number 7. No good. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Good for 2 by number 13.
16-10. Parang na pala.
Time out. Paracoy.
16-10.
8
16-10.
and 8 seconds.
Shout out sa best player kanina. Shout out. Pagkalaban na magpuya. Pagkalaban kanina.
Aray mo.
Number 3, Talusa. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 6. Last 10 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 6. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 10. Good for 2 by number 10. Last 2 minutes. Number 3. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. No good. Number 13. Number 13. Good for 2 by number 13.
Pare, pisa ko yan.
Number 25. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 3. Foul. Number 21. It's your first personal foul. Second. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number. Same ball. Foul. Number 10. It's your first personal foul. Third team foul. 2 points by number 25.
22.
Number 28. 28. Pass to number. Foul. Foul number 6. It's your first personal foul. First 2 seconds.
1 minute, 2 seconds.
Good for 1. (24-14) po ang ating score. Number 25, nagkamadali. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Uy. Number 28. Last 45 seconds. Number 9. Good for 2 by number 9. Last 40 seconds. Number 3. Last 25. 35. Dave. Foul. Foul number 9. Number 2. First personal foul. Warning. For pet. Last 29 seconds. Good for 1. Number 3. Last 25 seconds. Number 28. Last 20. Number 30. Last 15. Foul. Foul number 3. It's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Last 11 seconds. Last 10. Good for 2. Last 5. Last 1.5 seconds. Black ball. Last 1.5.
Yeah.
End of the first quarter. 28-15 in favor of Villa Boys. Number 15. Pass to number 15 again. Number 15. Pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Good for 2 by number 25. Nakaulit mo. Number 15. Pass number 2. Number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Number 3. Good for 2 by number 3. Number 4. Number 3. Good for 3 by number 3.
Score is 38-19.
Number 3, Kadusa.
Quarter.
Number 24, same ball. 13 to shoot. Last 13 to shoot. Last 11 to shoot. Number 37. No good. Pass to number 15. Good for 2 by number 15. Number 25. Number 25 again. Number 25. Pass to number 3. Good for 2 by number 3. Number 15. Number 15. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 18. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 15. Number 15 foul. Good for 2. Number 15, Arceo. Steal. Pass to number 3 again. Sobrang lakas. Pass to number 15. Number 4. Good for 2 pa, number 4. Number 24, pass number 3. Number 3, good for 2 pa, number 2. Time out, Bilya Boys. Scoreboard natin, 36-25.
Ikaw ba yung sikat na namin?
Tapusin nyo na yun, ha? Hindi, magsiko ka na. Ito, ay, sige na sila.
Shout out.
Shoutout sa'yo.
Shout.
Bigyan mo ako ng beat.
Thank you.
Shout out, Bayad guys. Hindi makasunod sa'yo. Mamaya. Ha? Sa'yo mo to? Oo. Pwede ba makasunod? Ay, suno ko ngayon, ano? Ay, ayan na yan. Kat na lang ako din sa, ano, sa may tulay din. Sa Hugo. Ano lang. May ilaw naman doon.
Pwede pala. Tumulong ko rin. Pagkatapos na rin.
Last game mo rin. Ba't nilaro pa doon?
Meron pa.
Lalo na sila.
Galing nga mo yun.
Oo. Second game sila.
May laro taga...
Yun. Ano, senior. Villa.
Taga Niyugan.
Yes, ano, blacksmith.
Oo.
Saka ano.
Anak rin na parang Israel.
Na score 27, 42. Shoot yata yung una. 43.
Tayo nagang 47. Atin.
Di 43 yung
43 atin.
Oo, Villa.
3 minutes and 29 seconds. Number 4. Number 20. Pass number 3.
Habol ko si John Lloyd sa laro dito.
Pass number 10. Number 15 again. Number 12.
Talusan. Shout out sa iyo, Talusan. Kailangan ka ng points.
Pass number 4. Good for 3. Again. Number pass to number 20. Good for 2 by number 20.
Line pit. Shout out. Shout out ulit.
Number 4. Pass to number 15. Okay. Number 15. Pass number 15 ulit. Good for 2 by number 15. Number 2.
50-31 ang score.
Good for 2 by
23-50.
Number 15. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 4. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Alcantara. No good. Enough by number 24. Pass number 2.
Alvaro yun, hindi Alcantara.
Technical.
Yan, dyan na si John Lloyd. Yeah, sorry ka din dyan.
Number 2.
Ayan, team mo.
Sa City of Bruce.
Pass number 9. Pass number 4. Good for 2 by number 24.
Bukas ang laro niya.
Hindi ko alam.
Number 13.
Isang araw pa lang.
Abraham.
Nagbulutan kanina eh.
Pass number 4. Number 4. Last 1 minute. Good for 2.
52-35.
Last 50 seconds. Black now. Number 13.
Ay,
Ready, blue. Last 42 seconds. Number 37. Good for 2 back number
3 points.
Last 30 seconds. No good, no good. Last 25.
58-52.
Last 30. 20, sorry. Last 15.
Ay,
No good. Last 10. Last 10. Last 5.
shoot. Wala. 38-52, second quarter.
Number 0. No good.
Kita ka.
Foul.
Paring ulo, kita-kita.
Eh,
Good first person.
bawi na, bawi.
Huli!
Number 25. Pass number 6. Number 6. Good for 3.
Huwag yung pati mga 3 points ka. Yung mga galing sa 3 points.
Number 6. Still by number 6. Pass number 0. Number 0.
No.
No good. Foul number 3. It's your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Eh, kaya pa yan.
Ulog! Fouled out, no points!
Number 2. Pass number
Takay, tulong.
number 13. No good. Number 2. Good by number 2.
Shout out Adelia. Number 3. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 13 or 13. Good by 2. Number 2. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Good by 2 by number 25. Number 30. Number 30. Still by number 35. Still again by number 3. Number 30 again. Pass number 3. Number 3. No good. No good again. Number 25. Still by number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 13. Good for 2 by number 13. Pass to number 0. 6:45.
Pass number 6, number 0 again. Good for 2 by number 6. Number 0 pala, sorry. Number 30.
Shout out. Shout out mga
Number
utoy.
3. No good. Number 25. Number 25. Number 30. Number 13. Pass number 13 again. Good for 2 by number 13. Number 25. No good. Number 30. Number 13. Good for 2. Time out. Paragoy.
Shout out.
Si Jay, laro tayo.
Shout out. Bahay nyo nga yung upload.
No good. Lima by number 2.
Lagi madami nanonood po sila.
Number 2. Pass number 30. Number 30. Pass number 2. Number 30. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass number 30. Number 30. Number 6. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 6. Foul. Number 6. Number 6.
Yun,
Good
3
for
points.
2.
Isa kaya. Happy sa yung Villa Boys. Happy sa
Number 0.
Abraham.
Pass to number 24. Number 24. No good. Rebound again by number. Sabi na 0. Hey, pass to number 2. No good. Number 0. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Free throw. Foul. Number 6. It's your second personal foul. No good.
Talusa, nag-free throw. No good.
Number 30. Pass to number 3. Number 3.
Yes.
No good.
Oops, yeah.
Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Rebound again by number 3. Number 3 again. Number 30. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Good pass.
3 points.
Last 1 minute and 46 seconds. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 30. Seven, Paco.
59, 66.
Oras po natin 1 and 37 seconds. Number 3.
Palagaran na naman ng kasamaan.
Number 3. Good po 2. 3 ka. Number 30. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Good for 2.
3 points lang na available.
Number 6. Pass to number 3.
68 na yun, 68.
Pass to number 24. Last 1 minute. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 4. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 0. Good for 2. Last 40 seconds. Last 35. Last 30. Last 25. Last 20. Last 15. Last 10. Last 5.
Yeah.
Counted. 3 points.
53, 73. Quarter. Lamang na
Pass to number 2. Number 2.
Villa Boys ng 20.
No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 4. Good for 3 points by number 4. 2 points.
4 points, correction.
Number 18.
75-53.
Steal by number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 28.
Ornedo.
Good for 2 by number 28.
Kakagod lang. Ay, kakagod lang kami.
Number 10. Pass to number 28. 28. No good. Number 30. 24. Good for 2 by number 24. Number 28. Pass to number 2. Number 2, fake. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 18. Pass to number. Good for 2 points. by number 31. 31. Number 4, no good. Number 24, pass to number 9. Number 9. Good for 2 points by number 9.
Ito may tinatago ka na eh, may tinatago sa'yo.
Number 15.
Nelson step niya, ano? Manya yan. Nelson step.
Pass to number 28. Number 28. Good for 3 by number 28.
Shout out sa'yo, Talusan. Shout out.
Number 24. Number 24, good for 2. Number 10. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 28. Number 2. Good for 2. Number 18. Last 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 95. No good. Number 15. Pass to number 4. Number 4, no good. Number 18. Still by number 28. Number 28. No good. Rebound by number 15.
Shoot ka.
Good for 2. Number 95. Pass to number 18.
Yan. Time out.
Timeout, Billy Boys.
84-61.
Pausa-pusa natin ni Garillo. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 2. Number 2. No good. Rebound by number. Still again by number 2. Number 9. No good. Number 9 again. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Good for 2. By number 2. Number. No good. Number 9. White ball. Number 18. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 24. Good for 2 by number 24. Number 12. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Still by number 2. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Turnover. Last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 13, pass to number 9. Number 9, number 9. Number 9 again. Number 18, good for 2 by number 18. Number 21, pass to number 13. Last 2 minutes. Ano? 13.
55-88.
Number 18, pass to number 2. Ay, number, ano pala, 31. Oh. Number 13. Uy, what a jelly.
Ang highlights.
Number 2. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 9. Number 21. Good for 2. Ay, 3. Sorry. Number 9. No good. Pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 13. Last 1 minute. Substitution rep. Number 13. Pass to number 20. No good. Last 50 seconds. Overpass. Last 40. Number 2, pass to number 18. Number 18. Easy layup, di binantayan. Last 30.
7 to 3.
Last 25. Last 20. Last 10. Last 5. Maraming salamat to sa lahat ng lumahok sa
Sa 795.
winner team, Bilyabong.
Thank you.